principal. To award the certificates, we would like to call on stage Mr. Simon Ocampo. Most Outstanding Award in Sports Taekwondo, Yavanes Aaron Reyes. Most Outstanding Award in Sports Chess, Sanchez Christian James Infante. Most Outstanding Award in Sports Chess, Uscujo Enzo BJ Lopera. Most Outstanding Award in Sports Volleyball.
Pero may namamatid sa alab eh. Papabulong na.
Kimpo John Benedict Velasco. Most Outstanding Award in Sports Volleyball, Baksain Al Joshua Nilsson. Most Outstanding Award in Sports Basketball, Almazan